Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Vadim and I'm a Salesforce admin at ENWAY. We're a Salesforce consulting and ISV partner and we help businesses overcome challenges using Salesforce. In this video, you will learn 3 must-have validation rules to save your time and avoid costly mistakes. Let's get started. Salesforce validation rules helps companies maintain data integrity and prevent costly errors. By enforcing certain criteria, such as mandatory fields or specific formats, validation rules ensure that the information entered into your Salesforce org is accurate, consistent, and meets your specific business requirements. So validation rules basically act as a safety net, catching any issues before they cause any major problems. Here are 3 Salesforce must-have validation rules for every manager. The first validation rule is contact phone validation. It helps to verify that a phone number is valid and formatted correctly. So we define custom expression that must be made for the phone number to be accepted. It will be frustrating to lose a lead because of one missing digit, won't it? For example, the manager will be able to save the record only if the US phone number consists of 10 digits and hasn't been left blank. Now let's create this particular rule. Let's start with Object Manager. We find the contact object and select Validation Rules. Click on New. Here's our validation rule creation window. First of all, we fill in the rule name. After that, we need to insert the error condition formula. As you see, there is a list of functions that we can insert, but I have prepared the formula beforehand, so I will just paste it here. Then I click Check Syntax. Well, all is good, and we can move further. I write an error message and then select error location as field, then select phone. It will help users understand where is the mistake. Click Save. Here's our newly created rule. Well, now we need to test it. Let's navigate to Contacts and try to fill in the phone number. With errors, obviously. Uh-oh! The validation rule is working. Now we put 10 digits and voila! The contact info is saved. The second validation rule is the max discount validation. The rule is used to make sure that the specified maximum discount is not exceeded. Also, many companies have a flexible discount policy depending on the opportunity amount. With the proper validation rule, for example, the manager won't be able to give a 25% discount for less than $10,000 opportunity, but will be able to give it to more than a $10,000 opportunity. Now we try this rule in practice. Again, let's start with the Object Manager, and we choose the Opportunity object. And select Validation Rules. Then we name our validation rule. Again, I'm inserting the prepared formula and checking it for mistakes. All is fine. Next, I fill in the error message. Here's our rule, up and running. Let's start testing. We go to the opportunity and try to fill in the data. Let's say the amount will be $10,000. Wow, I'm a good sales rep. And for this opportunity, we want to give a 25% discount. Not working. Well, now we decrease it to 20%. All is fine. The sales rep has just avoided a very costly mistake. Now let's change the opportunity and increase the amount to $10,001. Maybe now we can give a 26% discount. Again, it's not possible. But what about 25%? It's working, wonderful. And the third validation rule is the lead conversion validation rule. It ensures that the lead meets the qualification criteria to become an opportunity, which is important to help to control the quality of your data. For example, the manager won't be able to convert the web source lead without entering a website name first. So, your marketing performance report will be more accurate and allow you to make informed decisions. Now it's time to create and test this rule. In the familiar object manager, we find the lead object. Then we click on Validation Rules, New, and then we type the name of the rule. Again, I'm inserting the prepared formula and checking it for mistakes. All is okay. Next, I fill in the error message. Click Save. Here's our third validation rule. It's time to test it. I open the lead record and select Web in the lead source field. However, I will leave the website name blank. Then I save it. And now, let's convert it by clicking on Convert button. Well, here's our validation rules violation. Now I have to enter the website name. Now I click Save and try to convert the lead one more time. Success! Well, here are 3 must-have validation rules I want to share with you. I recommend using them so you can save time, money and headaches caused by incorrect or inconsistent data. Here at ENWAY, we take a personalized approach to validation rules development if you are in search of complex validation solutions. Visit our website to learn more about custom development at ENWAY. The link is in the description. Okay, that's all I have for today. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content. See you in the next video. Bye bye!